make a pizza. First, we need
Ano to?
tortilla.
Next is... Sa gitna lang. Tama na yun. Spread. Spread mo, Tanya. Yeah.
It's making yummy. We did this apple. We did this apple. Tanya, dito pa ako dami ko. Tapos, finish ko muna ito. Ito ba yung ginagamit? Di ba
Yes.
tinapay yung ginagamit?
Pwede yun. Tinapay naman. Next is cheese.
Kaya na cheese.
Ayan ang cheese. Ayan, nalagay na.
Love.
Ay, Chandy. Taas mo na yung, okay na yun, Tanya. Nasisira na yung cheese. Ayan. Okay na. Yes. Next. Hotdog. Lagay mo yung hotdog.
Hotdog is very proud.
Spread mo ayos ate. One by one lang Chandy.
Sumakain.
Uy, di pa luto yun. Huwag yung kainin. Ay! Di pa luto yan.
Yummy.
Okay na. Hindi pa luto.
Yummy.
Okay, next.
Diyan, di naman oven yan eh. Ito yung
Air
oven.
fry.
Air fry.
Okay. Oh, yes! At tingnan na yung tiyan ni Tanya. Wow! Wow! Yummy? Yummy?
That looks good. It seems like everyone is dying.
Yummy?
Here we have such a great victory.
Sarap na sarap.
Our story's going around the jets.
Mukbang na pizza.
Everyone prefers Vikings. We're so good. I wouldn't be so sure. You want to bet on it?
Ano dyan din?
I actually like them both. We should put whipped cream inside the baguette. That would be an awesome creation, don't you think? We could call it, I don't know, the whipped cream baguette.